never experienced. Because I've experienced a lot of painful things. Okay. Rug. Ooh. Oh yeah. Okay. That's good enough. Alright. It has to go in the hole. Yes. Yes, go in the hole. Hot hole. Hot hole. Hot hole. Hot. Hot. P-U-T-T. Alright. Alright, that's good. Take the trash with me. Taking out the trash. Where do you want to go eat, babe? I don't know. Let's go to Target. Check out Pizza Hut? Yeah, alright. Alright, so we're gonna get Pizza Hut. Not really, but we are in here. It's gonna be more difficult than I thought. There's a lot of, you guys see? There's a lot of trash in here, so woo, we're gonna try to. Okay, this is food. This is not trash, so this goes on top. I don't know about this, but I think I'm just gonna micro air filter the. That doesn't make any sense. Okay, how do you filter the air? How do you filter the air? That's what I'm asking myself. How do you filter the air? Oh, my banana. I don't know how am I gonna do this, but at least I'll give it a try. Go Rockies! All right. Oh my God! Oh. These go in the truck. They are in the truck. These go in the trailer. That trailer. Oh my God. Gotta secrets. Okay. Just okay. Ugh. All right. I don't know where to put them. The rest are right here. Oh, those are tied. Those are tied. I'm just gonna. Welcome to the family, man. Welcome. All right. Yay! Oh God. Sorry. That was bad. All right. We're cleaning up the truck, so we're going on a trip. Should be right there in that corner. All right. I don't know what to do. Okay. And then I get copyright. This is for the wheel. I don't know what to do with it. This juice is punk. What? I just took a piss. I'm just kidding. Another one. Oh, come on. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, okay. All right. Woo. That smacked me. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa. That was weird. Alright. Stop acting like if you were in a movie. Alright. It smells like Gatorade. Someone just pissed. Alright. We're going there, my friend. Oh, yes. Take it out. We're fishing, guys. We're fishing. We're fishing, right? Wait, what did we get? We got nothing. I just guess we're gonna. No. So go check out my YouTube shorts. They're for work. I'm gonna start uploading twice a day. Well, 3 times a day. Third time is a charm. That doesn't matter. What is this? That was awful. I've been there for weeks. No, months. This track hasn't been cleaned for months. I don't know what I'm gonna do with my life because I have to. What is for right now? I want you to get on the seats because I'm gonna take out the rug. Because trash. Right. That's what I'm saying. Right. So it'd be easier to walk. Right. Oh, you gotta help Come on! Oh God, I'm stuck in the position awkwardly. We're gonna have to go through the other door. Whee! Oh God! We're going on a trip in a favorite rocket ship. 95 values, we're gonna freaking die. We're going on a trip in a favorite piece of poop. 95, we're gonna freaking die. Whoa. Alright. Pass the Of course. Open. That only opens. Oh wow, I just done. Hi guys. Alright. Hold me upside down. Well then, I see we're gonna have to do it the hard way. Oh, there we go. Could just stick out this. This away. This trash. Stay in with me. It's because they are blowing with the leaf blower. So, yeah, got this rug out from the truck. I always wondered what's in here. Didn't I have a thing to open this? I always wondered that. Let me go get the keys. I don't know where else to open it. Let me go get the keys. I think it's on the other side. Open the door. Okay, that should work now. Open the door. The keys, where the keys? Okay, they're right here. The keys. The keys. The keys. The keys. The keys. The keys. I said the keys. All right. All right. Oh, okay. How do you open this? How do you freaking open this? Is it from the other side? Let's go check it out. Run! Other side. Hi, other side. What's up? Just checking on you. Open. I think I might have done it. You can't see what really is in there, but I'm just gonna leave it like that. I gotta hurry up. Ragham's gonna be mad at me. I don't have anything. Put the rug in. I can just easily do this. Go through here. Oh, parkour. Oh my god. Guys, I fell. Oh my god, my back. Oh my god, my back. Oh, I can't move. Alright. That was painful, but oh. We're gonna have to put the rug in. I'm not lying over here. You can go replay that if you want me. You want to laugh so hard. But I fell so hard. That hurt my back. I can't even breathe. Oh. Guys. Daddy. No, truck. You did not get me. Oh. How am I going to put this truck? No. Watch me. Watch me struggle. I got no friends, that's why. Lonely. I'm Mr. Lonely. Or Mr. Clean. Because I'm cleaning the truck. Come on. Yes, there we go. There you go. Whop. Whopper. I felt so bad, guys. I think I got a bruise. My back is in pain. Hey, sir. I felt like I was going down there to hell. I'm not gonna do this mistake again, so I'll be just more careful with myself. Get off me. What? Yeah. Oh yeah. What's up? Is that good? Not good enough? I don't know, Timmy. You have to figure it by yourself because I fell and I can't even crouch. How am I gonna do that? Is that how it's supposed to be? Yes. Come on. Get in. There you go. The problem is now put the. Ooh, they look cool. What? Why did they open them like that? What was staying there, right? What was? Whew. Right. You two. Get over here. Come on. Stay in there. Never come out. You too. Bluetooth, come on in. Get in it. Alright. Good. Good, we're good. His backpack goes here. I'll take a few. I'm gonna take a few. Alright. Not my backpack. Oh, gotcha. Not gonna get out. I'm gonna come with you. Yeah. Yeah. There's trash. I don't know where, but my uncle knows. I don't see. I don't know. He has better eyes than me, he said. Oh, yeah, right there. Right there. Trash! It's right there. Wow. He called me short. He called me short. No, I can't open. Bye bye. What is it?
Ponte en la esquina, para allá. Ahí. Álzale, álzale.
I'm going back to heading back to the truck. So, yes, huh? Alright. Oh, I left the door open. I left the door open. Oh my god. Oh, I gotta leave the door open. I left 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 the door open. Okay. Hey, at least this place doesn't smell like bricks anymore. But it did.